Going up.
We are here at Hartwood. We have some OTIS Gen3s. Let's take a look at the map. One set here, one here, and one here. Let's see. Looks like they only have one working. Gen3 lantern?
I hear the other one
Oh yeah, I can hear the other one.
I thought Gen 3 would have like the screen indicators.
This is the cheaper version, I think.
Wow.
Well, it might be slightly older, I'm not sure. Oh, nice.
What's a tall cap? I actually like this cap. It's
I like
the
the I like the textured metal.
Club Hartwood. On pools on 7th floor. That's interesting.
Want to switch up there?
Yeah, let's do it.
Basement?
Apartment. Okay.
Permit down here. OTIS elevator. Should we send this all the way down or to 2 or something?
Let's send it to 2. Oh, this is nice.
The other elevator. It's a fitness center.
What's the other one?
Ooh, non-California code. Nice.
Wait, these are like pushed in.
What if the chime will ring if I send it up early?
I don't know if you can send it up early.
Maybe not. I'll ring if I call it. Yes.
Is it burnt out?
It just went out when the door closed.
Oh. Same cab? 1B. Where do you want to end?
Up here.
Sure.
Take a look at the roof deck if you want.